to episode 2 of the Aprilia build. Let's go. Okay, so in the last video, you see us strip the bike, do the paintwork, tidy up some parts. Now we're going to start the build up. If you haven't seen the first video yet, I'll put it here. Watch that one first, then come back to this. So the first part we're doing is the rear brake. Just give it a quick shot blast, nice coat of paint. And she looks tidy now. Okay, the next part, the forks. To make this easier, because I've just painted the forks, so I don't want to scratch them up, I've just added some washers in the yoke, and it'll make the fork easier to slide up. He says, very careful, super careful not to scratch. All the way up. There. We still haven't done the helicoil, but I'm going to get the wheel on, and then I can build the bike up then. Once that's done, we'll once it arrives, I'll pull the wheel back off, put the new threads in, and have it done. So that's just sat in there for the time, and when it comes to the helicoil, I'll build it up properly. Ooh. Should probably put these on last so I can actually get around the bike, but there's a lot to do on these. New switch gear, left hand side. It's better than I thought actually. This one comes with a dimple, so I'm going to have to drill the bars, but I'll just put it on for now. Also, there should be a choke, which I'll have to check the box. Yep, there it is. Right, so I'll just get this roughly in place and then I'll drill it later. Just want to get it on first. And the toys keep coming. Probably the best bit of the build actually, isn't it? I know it's the best part of watching videos is when all the new parts go on. Right, so all of these have come with these nasty looking green, God knows what they are, but I'm going to replace them with stainless. I have ordered a load of stuff, still waiting for that. So this will have to do for now. Okay, so that's the front end done. Still waiting on a couple of bits. I have got the grips. Where are they? So I've got these nice Pro Taper grips, but I'm going to leave them till the end because I don't want to get them filthy. Next, the engine, I guess. Huge engine. Huge! So with the engine, I have painted the top. I'm going to pull the cases off once it's in the bike, and I'll paint both sides, and it's just easier to do while it's in there. But for now, I'm going to fit it. Try and get the angle. Look at that. If only they were all that easy, eh? Wow. Ta-da! It's actually starting to look like a bike now. As usual, I have every size spark plug spanner but this one, so luckily it's easy to get to. Oh, different. So next on, hoses. Don't know if you remember these, but they were painted red. Still see a tiny bit there, but I've got most of it off. It actually came up quite good. So we'll get these on wherever they go. Oh. So the throttle I've gone for is a Domino single cable. I've actually got the a slow position. Sorry, a slow action, because I don't think he needs to wheelie everywhere. Unfortunately with this, well, I don't know, I'm not sure if that's supposed to, I feel like that should go on top because it looks nicer, but it will clash with all of this, so it'll just come out of there. It's not bad. I think it was 30 quid. I had a different bike which had a good quality one on, which was about 90. This is a little bit cheap and nasty, but it's okay. It'll do the job. Okay, so I put the little wheel in, got the throttle cable in. This snaps on, and then there's no way to take it off without sort of prying on it. So I'll leave that till it's all set up, I think. Okay, so this is for the 2-stroke oil pump. Oh, it's tight. Can't see anything because of my hands. Oh, okay. Now this is, I believe, a later throttle cable. So the bike actually came with this one. So I'm imagining this is different on the later models, but a simple mod. Hopefully that works. Hopefully. There. Perfect. Just going to get the carb slider on now. Wind it down. Okay. I have got the carb, but I can't get the choke out at the minute. It's really nasty, but it's stuck in there. I'm not sure if I have to take the bottom off, but I'm just going to leave that off for the sec. So I'll just leave that hanging there. So just quickly put the 2-stroke tank on. Now I'm going to do the front sprocket, put that back on, try and get the chain on. We shall see. Can't do it with one hand. Hang on. Okay, so I've got the sprocket on the chain. Doesn't want to go. Leave it with me. There we go. Alright, that's it for another week. We'll have to come back next week. Did try to get it done, but just haven't had time. It's not far off. I did just get it running, but I'll save that for next week. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the new subscribers. You know the drill. Please like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want. See you next week.